see the sun, always see the night. They say they want a real one, they say they want a real one to make them feel young.
Hey yo, what's good family? Welcome back to Astro Nori for another video. Today we're doing something a lot of bit completely different from what we do on the channel. We got DIY Nori in the building. We about to try and mount these skate decks right here onto the walls so that I can officially start working on my room tour. These are some of the last final touches that I have, and after this the room tour should be coming out, but you guys will be seeing this video in the future after I drop my room tour. I don't really want to post it now because I feel like you guys wouldn't even really be able to experience the full room tour if I show you glimpses now. I'm pretty sure you guys feel like this is a little corner of my room, and hey, y'all probably in for a treat. But without any further ado, if you do end up enjoying this video, leave it a like down below. If you've been asking this question and you finally got the answer on how to mount these on the wall right there, leave it a like on it, man. Comment down below if you plan on doing that to your skate decks. I feel like it's so clean and it looks so fire. I specifically like when they mount them all like one next to the other, but I don't have that many as of yet. If you guys do enjoy, leave a like, comment, subscribe to the channel if you are new, click those post notification bells so you're notified each and every time I post a new video. And without any further ado, man, let's go ahead and get straight to it. So for this specific skate deck, since it is going to be standing straight like this right there, we are only going to need one of these, which I am going to link in the description, but this is what I use to mount them on the wall. It's Biznick's wall skate mount. I'm going to link it down below. I did get it from eBay for like $7. If you buy two, I think it's like $10 or something like that, but this is what we're going to use. In order to put this on the wall, all you need is a screwdriver, but it is recommended that you do use a drill, so that's exactly what I'm going to be using. So for this tutorial, you're going to need this right here, which is the actual mount. I'm going to be using this to find the wood in the actual play bowl right behind me. You need a drill, which is definitely important, and I do have this set of heads right here. I would use my Supreme ones, but hey, those gonna stay right where they at for now. I'm gonna use this right here, and then all you have to do is find a sweet spot, find where you want to put it, and just drill. So that's exactly what I'm gonna do right now. So pretty much I'm gonna want to put it like right around here so it's not too close to the actual artwork. I'm gonna put it like right around here. Once that's on the wall, literally all you have to do is unscrew the little thing right here. Ooh, caught that. Unscrew this other one. You can tighten this as much as you want so the stick is hanging off of it, but I mainly want to have it floating a little bit, so I'm gonna leave it a little bit loose. Then you go ahead and tighten these up a little bit. So boom, now it's mounted. I am gonna show you guys a little bit more up close because the lights are blowing it out a little bit. That's it. That's basically the science to it, bro. You find a little sweet spot, you hang it up, and you're all set. But right here, we do have the skate deck mounted. I honestly feel like it could be a little bit lower, so I might go ahead and adjust that, but that's pretty much what it is right there. It's mad simple, bro. It's nothing major to it, but I am gonna show you guys over here the more difficult one. That one's actually going to be a pain to do. Basically, I'm showing you guys what I use to mount them on the wall. I used a little wood detector to find the beam behind the wall. I scratch it a little bit, then I drill it onto there. I do the same thing with the other side, and I basically had to use a level to make sure that it's evenly, and then I mount it on there. But right here, we are about to try and mount this up. I feel like it should be good. All right, so now that we actually have the skate deck on there, you want to put the bolts back on it. I did lose one in the process, but I feel like I should be good nonetheless. I'm gonna try and go ahead and find it, but hey, we're gonna be set regardless. This shit took mad long, longer than I expected, to be honest, but we do have that on there, and I did perfect it, so I don't want this to fall on me or nothing like that while I'm working or editing on my table right here. I'm gonna go ahead and just tighten this hoe up. And then voila, we are set. We are set right here. As you guys can see, it is on the wall perfectly. I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys closer in detail. It is mounted. Obviously, we are missing one screw right there, which looks kind of tacky now that I look at it. I'm gonna try to go ahead and fix it. But as you guys can see, I did set it up pretty nicely on there. You got the little setup right here once again. FTP Supreme. Got the little newspaper right there. It's all red. That's honestly why I wanted to buy the red one, because I feel like this whole area right here is supremed out. I do like the way that it looks, and I feel like it came out pretty good. So we got that one right there, other one over here in the cut. If you guys did end up enjoying this video, man, go ahead and leave it a like. I would highly appreciate if you guys came through on this one, left a like, comment down below if you plan on doing this to your skate decks. Just subscribe to the channel, click those post notification bells so you're notified each and every time I post a new video. And with all that being said, I'm gonna catch y'all on the next one. Peace, stay up, and I'm out.
Never see the sun, always see the night. They say they want a real one, they say they want a real one to make them feel young.